Hi everyone, so today I'm back with another fabric earring video. So as you can see, I have already done a paper cut and I'm just tracing the shape in the bound board. So once this is done, I'll cut the edges. So I'm using the cotton fabric which is in yellow color. You can use any color you want. So I'll be cutting the edges. So with the help of fabric glue, we'll be sticking the fabric to the mount board. So now it's time to decorate this piece. So for that I'm using a pearl chain and I have cut it to the length that I want, and now I will be sticking it with the help of fabric glue, and the same way we are going to repeat it on the rest of the edges. For center I have decided to use a mirror. So now we are going to fix the eye pin and the stud. So for that I am using E6000. So to complete the backside look, I am cutting the fabric and will stick it along with the stud. So let's complete the earring with the hanging part. So for that I'm using a ghungroo. Along with that I'm also using a cotton thread ball. So once this is done, with the help of plier, I'll be doing a loop, round loop, and then I'll be attaching it with the main base earring.